Hi everyone, welcome back to ecommerceplatforms.com. I'm Tudor and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up Printful with Shopify in a step-by-step manner. If you're interested in creating custom merchandise, Printful is an excellent option to consider. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's dive in. To begin, let's add the Printful app to your Shopify store. This process is incredibly simple. Just head over to the Shopify App Store, search for the Printful app and install. Next step is to create a free Printful account. Simply enter your name, your email address and your password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook, Google or Apple ID. After creating your Printful account, you'll be taken through a quick and easy onboarding process to connect it with your Shopify store. Don't forget to verify your email during this step. Now we come to the most exciting part, adding a product to your store with Printful. With a wide range of products to choose from, take your time and browse through Printful's extensive catalog. Once you've found a product you like, click on it to begin the customization process. Printful makes it effortless to design your product, from choosing the printing technique to configuring the product to your liking. Under the Design tab, have some fun with the design process. You can even use pre-made graphics from Printful to speed up your pace and design the sleeves, back and even the labels. Once you're happy with the designs, click on Proceed to Media. Here you can select the type of mockups that you'd like to display in your store. You can choose a main and additional mockups using filters, with Printful offering hundreds of professional mockups to choose from. When you're done, click on Proceed to Details. Here you can give your product a catchy title and add an engaging product description. You can even add a paragraph explaining the POD advantages, along with a size chart, product tags and product collections. When you're ready, click on Proceed to Pricing. You can set the pricing individually or in bulk and finally publish your first product. With Printful, the entire process is seamless, easy and fun, allowing you to create high-quality custom merchandise with just a few clicks. Now let's review your order settings. Printful offers a range of options to ensure that you have a seamless order fulfillment process. You can choose to toggle fulfillment via a backup facility and decide between manual or automatic order fulfillment. You can also sync your existing products with Printful, enable automatic stock updates, and make changes to other settings like personalized orders, product alternatives, and personalized language. Take the time to review and adjust these settings to ensure that everything runs smoothly. The next step is to manage your shipping settings. Printful offers a range of shipping options, so feel free to explore and customize them to your liking. You can charge a surcharge for shipping, display live shipping rates on your checkout page, offer a free shipping method, and even add estimated delivery times. Additionally, you can set up shipping carriers to ensure your products are delivered to your customers efficiently. Take your time with these settings to ensure that you have a smooth and reliable shipping process. Next is to set up your branding. With Printful, you have access to advanced branding options such as custom packing slips, contact details, and even personalized messages. You can also create a white label tracking page that includes your social links, custom call to action buttons, and even language selection. This is a great opportunity to showcase your brand and make a lasting impression to your customers. Printful also offers the ability to set up custom return addresses. If you wish, you can replace the default one with an address of your choice. You can easily order product samples by clicking on New Order. Although this is an optional step, it can help you test the quality of your products. Simply select the product, add shipping details, and you're good to go. Don't forget, if you place a sample order within 24 hours of creating your account, you can enjoy a 30% discount. And that's it! Your Printful store is now ready to start selling. By following these 9 simple steps, you can easily create your print-on-demand store in a matter of minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the box below. Thank you for watching, see you next time!